hostilities will end officially at 1 minute after midnight tonight, Tuesday, the 8th of May. But in the interest of saving lives, the ceasefire began yesterday to be sounded along all the fronts. The German war is therefore at an end.
After the Premier had repeated his announcement to the House of Commons, the Speaker led a procession of members, headed by Mr. Churchill and Mr. Greenwood, across to St. Margaret's for a victory and Thanksgiving.
Today we are remembering and celebrating VE Day, Victory in Europe Day. It was a time when the Second World War had finished and Germany had surrendered. It was on the 8th of May 1945. It was a time when people celebrated with street parties, families and friends and neighbours who joined together to sing songs, share food and dance. It was a time to say thank you to all those who had helped and gave their lives so others could be safe and free. We are now going to have a look at some of the amazing things that our pupils at Mayfield School have been making to celebrate VE Day. We have got an incredible banner, okay, and we have got the colours of red, blue and white, and we have got a flag. And the colours come from our Union Jack flag, so I hope you can see the colours, red, blue and white. We have also been making flags, so you and your families can join in and make some flags and wave those. We have made some incredible cakes with flags on, okay? And we will now show you a video as how you can make your very own.
Shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover. Tomorrow, just you wait and see. The shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own.
We are going to help you to think how to remember and say our very big thank you to all those people that gave their lives and died for us. So we are now going to observe a 2-minute silence. to a song that was very, very popular at the finish of World War II. We'll meet again.
We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny
Somewhere in France, hoping this finds you well. The sergeant says I'm doing fine, a soldier and a half. Here's the song that we'll all sing, it'll make you laugh. We're gonna hang out the washing on the Siegfried line. Have you any dirty washing, mother dear? We're gonna hang out the washing on the Siegfried line, 'cause the washing day is here. Whether the weather may be wet or fine, we'll just run